Hello students, very good morning to all of you. Myself Deepak Kumar Prusdi from Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada branch. Students, welcome to our e-learning class which is organized by Modern English School, Nevada, Bihar. Students, today I am going to discuss the third chapter of the video lecture number 2 of the topic starting mail marks. In the last video lecture, we have already discussed how to create the mail merge. Means to create a mail merge, the two types of the document we need. We have discussed that one. One is a main document, another one is a data source. The main document for the creating a letter, creating the document type, and for the data source, for the what, to which type of the people you want to send, make a list of the receiver. Okay student, make the list of the receiver. That means in the main document content type will be same, and in the data source we will do the what, receiver address. That is our what, different. Is that clear? And today class we will discuss how to create a mail merge. Yes or no students? Is that clear or not? How to create a mail merge. Today's class we will discuss that one. The student, starting mail merge. Now we will discuss how to start the mail merge. Okay student. So first of all we open the MS Word. First of all open the MS Word. Then click on the blank document. Then click on the blank document. Is that clear? First of all, open MS Word. Then click on the blank document type. Okay, students. After the MS Word windows will be opened. After MS Word windows will be opened. Then what will we do? Click on the mailing tab. Click on the mailing tab. Is that clear? Before that, you just start the what? Open the MS Word. Okay, students. Open the MS Word document. Then what? We click on the Word document type. Okay, students. That means blank document. Then what will we do? Create a letter. Then we create a letter. After creating the letter means what? What type of the content you want to insert, you can do that one. So you create the letter. In the letter, what type of content you want to insert, you make the letter first. Okay student. After making the letter, then click on the mailing tab. Then click on the mailing tab. Okay students. The student starting the mail merge. First of all, what will I do first? Okay, open MS Word document. Open MS Word document. Okay, students. Then click on the blank. Then click on the blank document. Okay, students. After that, create a letter. After that, create a letter. Is that clear, student? First of all, open MS Word document, then click on the blank document, then create a letter. In the letter, whatever content you want to insert. Is that clear? In the 2, click on mailing tab. Click on mailing tab. Click on mailing tab. Okay, students. Click on mailing tab. Okay. Click on mailing tab. Okay. Then, because in the mailing tab, the option start mail merge option is available. The question will may come. In which tab the mail merge option is available? The answer is mailing tab. Answer is mailing tab. Remember. Or why we use the mailing tab? Mailing tab is used to make a mail merge. That means to send the same content of the letter to the different types of the people. Okay, for that we can use the mailing tab. Is that clear, student? Is that clear or not? Then click on the mailing tab, students. Okay, then click mail merge wizard. Click on mail merge wizard option from the mail merging group. Is that clear? Then what? Then click on step by step. Then click on step by step mailing. Click step by step mailing. Is that clear, students? Then click on step by step mailing mouse. Okay, student. So in this way, after this one, after that we make another step. First of all, to start a mail merge, for that one, what type of steps we follow? This one, open MS Word, blank document, then create a letter, mailing tab, then click mail merge wizard, then click on step by step mailing option. Is that clear? After this one, students, step by step, after clicking this one, the step 1 will be coming. Okay, student? The step 1 will be coming. After that, again we follow the 6 steps to make a successful mail merge. To make a successful mail merge, we follow the again 6 steps. After this one, what are the 6 steps, students? Select document type. Step 2, select starting document. Select recipient. Writing letters. Then review your letters. Okay, students. Then complete the merge. So, student, today class only we discuss the step 1 and step 2. In the next class we will discuss the step 3 and 4. In the next class we will discuss the step 5 and step 6. Because this one will be discussed, will take many time, 40 to 45 minutes. Is that clear or not? So, student, that's why I am not discussing all the steps. Okay. Today class only we will discuss what is the meaning of step 1 and step 2 we will discuss today class. Is that clear? The student come after clicking on the step by step mailing, then the step 1 will be displayed. Select the document type. After click on the step by step mailing, select the document type. That means, student, in the select document type means that one is we have already discussed two of the document will be displayed after click on the mailing. That one is a main document and data source. Okay, when the select document type will be displayed, that is under the what, student? Main document. Okay, in the main document where the contents are sent to be sent to the different people. The content will be sent. Is that clear or not? The content will be sent, which is to be sent to the different people. Is that clear? And the document type of different types. Okay. First of all, after clicking on the select document type, in that content, what? In the main document contains again different types of the letter will be displayed. Different types of document will be displayed, like letter, application, business. Okay, students, or application. What you want to make a letter, application, business oriented, okay, or engagement type, or invitation card. What you want to make the document, you choose anyone, and here we choose the what, letter. Okay, and these type of the options are available in from where, main document. Remember this one. These options are available in where, main document. So that's why in the select document type means choose the letter from the option of the main document. Is that clear? That is very simple. Okay. Step 2, select starting document. Students, after choose the letter options from the document type, then click on the next step. Okay. After choose the letter option from the document type of the main document, then click on the next step. That means the step 2 will be displayed. Step 2 will be displayed. In the step 2, what will be displayed? The what? Select starting document. Select starting document, student. Now student, in the select starting document means what? In the select starting document, now you make a letter which contains the contents are same. Okay, that means in the select starting document, that is particularly the body of the letter which are to be same to the different people will be sent. Is that clear or not, students? That means select starting document contains the letter body. Okay, student, letter body in which or that contains the information. What type of the information you want to send to the different people. Okay, students, that means that is your what? Select starting document. Is that clear? In the select starting document, the body part will be displayed, and in the body part you write. Okay, student, in the body part you write the information. Is that clear? In the select starting document, write the body content. After that, students, click on our select the document again. Okay, for that the recipient, that means after students making the document, after making, because in this case choose the letter option from the document type in the main document. After this one, then make a letter body, what type of the information you want to display. After this one, then click on the again next step, that will go to the step 3. Okay, student, and in the step 2, one of the option will be displayed. That one is what? Select the document or create the document. Okay, student, click on the create document. One of the options are there. Click on the create document. After this one, go to the next step. Okay, select recipient. Recipients you know very well what is the use of that one. And students, today class we have already discussed, and today class only discuss step 1 and step 2 and how to setting mail. In the next video class we will discuss step 3, 4, 5 and 6. Is that clear or not, student? Once again I am repeating you. In the step 1, you choose the option which type of the document you want to create. That, for example, letters. Select starting document. In the starting document means in the letter the body part will be there. Okay, student, in the body what type of the content you want to insert, you type the content. Is that clear? Is that clear or not, student? After this one, then click on the create on the document or letter. Is that clear? Then step 3 will go, which will be discussed in the next class. Okay, student, that's it, student. Thank you. Bye.